Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Stephanie and you're watching Steph's Beauty. Okay. So we're gonna start off with our Farsali primer, the Unicorn Essence one, and I love how it smells. So sorry. Apply it like in the videos, you know? Oh my god, I'm kind of mad I'm recording this when my skin is not good, because my skin was good before and now it just wants to not be good. Do I know why? No. I don't know, to be honest. But probably because stress, because the end of the school year and like we're getting a lot of work, and like after this is done, I'm not gonna buy it no more, just because like no, it's like nothing's wrong with it, just like it's kind of pricey, and it's like I can be getting the Too Faced right here, the hangover primer right here, and I could just be getting this and it's not that pricey. So yeah, but it's up to you. If you guys want it, it's good. Nothing's wrong with it. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the Milani foundation in the shade 02 Natural. And I'm going to be taking this on the back of my hand and applying this all over my face like I usually do. I used the Morphe brush, the foundation one. And like I'm like kind of used to using a beauty blender, but that works too if you guys want to use it. Just blend it all over your face. Usually, let me give you guys a little advice. If you don't want your nose to be like cakey, I don't think anybody wants their nose to be cakey. You don't have to like apply like how I did this on your nose. I just use like the leftover, or when you're like blending with your beauty blender, and you're like at the end, you could just blend around your nose. I'm just blending that out and dabbing. Blend that down. Don't you just love? And this is like kind of, my skin is kind of complicated. That's what, and I like really dislike that because I have really dry skin. But then on my T-zone, it's like really oily. Then just some places, it just wants, like my skin suddenly sometimes just wants to get all oily. So like I have to like be careful. This is not the only foundation I use, because as you knew, like in my other videos, I used my Makeup Forever HD foundation stick. But so it like didn't go up anymore, and I stuck it in. I like stuck like a pin in it, and there was a lot more foundation. So like I could put to good use. So I put it in the cap, and I'm like using it for little spots, because since it's a full coverage foundation, like applying it on any spots I want more coverage on. I'll be taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light, number 10. I'm gonna powder my face using the Clinique powder. I just don't apply much because it's kind of like oxidizes a little bit. I don't know why. The powder, like, I don't know if you can tell. I'm applying it like this because so on a good base to apply the other powders I'm gonna apply after. I'm gonna apply some bronzer and the glow. And I don't know if you could tell, but look, it is kind of oxidizing. We're gonna be taking my Too Faced bronzer. You know, I always use this. Applying it. We usually do. Yes, we're going for a I was in the sun look. We're gonna be grabbing our Laura Mercier. Why is it pink? Anyways, translucent powder. We're baking today, and we're gonna apply that under our eye. And so I bring it down here because right here gets like really oily, and the foundation like starts to like get like weird. Baking, you can just use it on the spots that you your skin usually creases on, and like and gets like oily on. So once I do that, I just put it all on my nose because my whole nose gets shiny. We don't want that. And I'm just applying that all over my teeth.
And then finish my lines because, yes, honey, it creases. It creases.
Cut that bronzer because we love a snatch this there, like we love a snatch sister. Okay, like don't we love a snatch sister? I'm gonna do the brows off camera, then I'll be right back. Literally, as I did my brows, I was watching Laura Lee because why not? Her video like just came out, so I was like, let me just watch while I do my brows. So there are my brows, you know. Liking how they look today. They looking good. Hey, oh, my foundation and my makeup is looking like really good right now. Now we're gonna start with our eyes, of course, and we're gonna be applying my, of course, Urban Decay primer because, you know, never go wrong with this. I'm just gonna apply like so. Baby girl, what you doing? So we're gonna hop right into the Morphe 3502 palette. And look, the black is destroyed. This color right here.
All on top of the crease area. Girl, what you doing, William? And bring it out a little bit. Yes, I repeat, bring it out. Bring it out, sister.
Taking a Morphe blending brush. We're gonna go in with the color right here and bring that directly onto the crease area, blending that in very good into the crease. Then taking the color next to the one we just used, this one right here, we're applying that into our outer V and bringing it in with the color right here.
Just deepening it up a little bit.
With another Morphe flat brush, we're going to be taking some concealer. This is another Maybelline concealer that I have. And we're just going to be taking it from the brush and cutting a half cut crease. Yes, another one. The brownish color that we just added, we're going to blend that in again into what we just cut. Blending that in, sweetie. Oh, and just because I'm applying no color to that, we're just gonna, from the Huda Beauty palette, we're gonna apply Bay on top, just because I'm applying no other color.
Yes.
Taking another pencil brush right here. I'm taking this color, applying it on top, just to define a little bit more. Taking the flat brush. Blending those two colors out. once we have that, we're not leaving it like this, sweetie. We have to add some shimmer because I applied the Violet Voss glitter and I don't have glitter glue, so I applied it on this brush that's purposely like this with some Fix Plus so it can stick on. And then I'm gonna apply my Kiss Lashes number 3 and I'll be right back. So for this look I decided to actually put the lashes in number 11 because they're more dramatic and we love a dramatic sister. So I don't know why I keep saying that. Okay, so we're gonna be taking this shade right here and applying that on our bottom lash line. Taking the Carly Bible palette deluxe. Yes, I got it. I know, I'm so happy. We are going to be taking the highlight shade and applying that in our inner corner. And in our brow bone. We're going to be taking this brush right here to apply our glow. Because we love our glowing sister. And that same highlight. So I put on the glow, but like I stopped because I want to put on the setting spray and then put on the glow because we want the glow to be popping. See this? We need a popping highlight. Come on. I'm gonna look for my lip gloss and then I'll do the ending. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.